Hi guys, what could be better than learning to fly and then being on an island by the Canadian border, not far from 83 Delta, the Mackinac Bridge, right over there, snow and ice, frozen lake, bear paws on your brand new AS-350 B3e, and check this out, a lighthouse, an abandoned lighthouse. Absolutely incredible. It's just beautiful environment, great place to meditate and come relax. We're on a mission right now, top secret. Got our surveyor over there. Look at this place, just amazing. So much history here, just incredible. Let's go take a closer look at the lighthouse. And there she is. Let's go check it out. Looks like there's a lot of research that goes on up here, because at the top of the lighthouse you've got some cameras and then you've got solar panel. So a lot of people come here to do things. And of course there's the tail of the AS-350 B3e. What a great day. It's good for you.